Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, we will show how a school admin user can add another user under your school and give various permissions and access. Let's begin. First we will show how to add new user. Navigate to user accounts and click on Add New User button. Select the teacher from the list and enter valid email ID of the user to add. Enter phone number. Enter the user password. Reconfirm the password. Now select the roles and permissions accordingly. For this tutorial purpose, we will give permission to access school assessment for class 8 and 10, and school attendance for class 9 and 10 respectively. Finally, check the Enable User and click Create User. On success, a confirmation message will be shown. And you can also see the user in the list. Next, we will show how to edit or update user information such as email, phone number, password, and permissions. Select the user and click on Edit button. You can edit or update accordingly, and once the information are edited, click the Update User button to update it. That is all for this video. Thank you.